Welcome to iPacky. In this video, we will show in detail how the order checking in iPacky works. You can view the orders, and select from there. Select Orders. Click on the order to open it. Normally, you scan the barcode, or type in the order number from the picking list. This is an example of an order. The layout, controls and actions might look very different based on the choices made in iPacky dashboard settings. The ordered quantity. The scan quantity. Add manual scan. Not recommend because of human mistakes. Edit scan quantity. Here you can edit the scan quantity. Mostly used if the quantity is too big to scan each item. The default value is the same as the ordered quantity. The default can be set to empty, so they need to enter it. Settings option set empty default value of quantity edit. If possible, avoid doing manual scans since this will open up the possibility of human errors. A better alternative is to use the settings barcode text for setting scan quantity to ordered quantity. By printing out a barcode with this value, you can first scan the product to make sure it's the correct one, and then scan that barcode. It will then set the scan quantity to the same as the ordered quantity. If you want to deny them to manually enter scans, the following settings are available in Settings Limitations. Deny Scan Quantity Edit. Deny Scan Quantity Edit a virtual product. Include SKU in scan. This can be overridden by a supervisor on an individual order in iPacky dashboard reports. Shows the note that the customer put on the order, if any. Shows the timeline notes from the order in Shopify. This a great way to improve the information flow. The back office can write notes about the order in the timeline, and it will be visible to the packers. Enable in Settings View Show Order Timeline Comments. Shows the order tags that will be visible to the packers. Do not show tags that is not important to the packers. Set the tags in Settings View List of Order Tags to show. Use Packers Note for improved information flow. Can be edited in Actions. Learn more about this in a separate video when available, or in the help system. Bin locations will show the optimum picking path during picking, saving time. Find out more about how to show and use this in a separate video for metafields, or read the help about metafields. View the available product inventory recorded in Shopify. Enable in Settings View Show Available Quantity in Order Check. Use picking notes to inform a supervisor or the back office about inventory issues. Enable in Settings Picking Notes. Learn more about this in a separate video when available, or in the help system. If this product has product notes defined in iPacky metafields, it will be shown here. Product notes are useful for internal product handling information. Shows the product image. By clicking on the image, it will expand to full screen. Support for kits and bundles. This will ensure that everything in the kit or bundle is checked and packed. Learn more about this in the iPacky metafields video, or in the help system. Here you can edit the shipping address, especially if you spot some address issues. This will be written back to the order in Shopify. The updated shipping address will be written back to the order in Shopify. This can also be used if you have connected iPacky to a shipping app, and the label production gives an error message. You can then edit the shipping address, and select Retry Shipping Label in the Actions menu. Shows address validation warnings. Enable in Settings Validate Shipping Address. By using order check rules in iPacky, you can add products based on products on the order, or order tags. In this case, this is a new customer, that's tagged with new. Learn more about this in the iPacky Order Check Rules video, or in the help system. Use a barcode scanner to scan the products on the order. The line turns blue when partially completed. The line turns green when completed. It's 2 of this kit, so scan one more round. The order is complete. This will only happen when all the items on the order are correctly checked. Waiting for input of the next order to be checked. Select Actions drop-down. Depending on the settings, you can perform many order actions here. Edit Packer's Note. Improves the information flow. Find out more in separate video when available, or in the help system. Edit the note that the customer put on the order, if any. Use this with caution since you might overwrite the customer's own note. This must be set in Settings. Limitations. Deny edit customer's note. Edit picking notes. This is a great tool to inform the back office of a supervisor about inventory issues. Enable in Settings picking notes. Find out more in a separate video when available, or in the help system. Save and continue. Very useful to avoid starting scanning all over if connection failure. When entering the order again, it will pick up from where you saved the scanning. Save and quit. Saves the scanning status so far, and aborts the order check. When entering the order again, it will pick up from where you saved the scanning. Tag incomplete. Aborts the order check and tags the order with the incomplete tag. Enable in Settings advanced tags for incomplete orders. Save and mark as incomplete. Saves the scan status, aborts the order check and tags the order with the incomplete tag. Enable in Settings advanced tags for incomplete orders. Refresh bundle data for order. Refreshes the bundled data if the order lines are updated. Only available if the bundles app is connected to iPacky. Partial fulfill. Only available if fulfillment rules are set in iPacky dashboard, and orders are not fulfilled before iPacky. iPacky will then do a partial fulfillment of the items scanned so far. Enable in Settings. Limitations allow partial fulfillment. Open order in Shopify. Opens the order directly in Shopify in a new tab in the browser. Skip fulfillment. Will not fulfill this order when order check is completed. Only visible if fulfillment rules are set in iPacky dashboard. Skip shipping label. Skips the production of the shipping label after order check, and a shipping connector is added in iPacky. Only visible if fulfillment rules are set in iPacky dashboard. Clear all scans. Clears all the checking you have done on the order, and starts over from scratch. Thank you for watching this iPacky video. For more details, read in the help system, or watch videos when they become available on iPacky.com or on our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook. Start packing error-free today.